Welcome to Ayutthaya, Thailand. Good morning guys. We are now here at Ayutthaya Historical Heritage Park. A UNESCO Heritage Site. Grabe. Super old yung mga temples natin. Pakita natin. So we are now here at Wat Mat Hat. As you can see, that's the famous Buddha head inside the tree that was decapitated in the wars of 18th century. Ayutthaya was the former capital of Thailand from the 13th century to the 17th century, and it was declared a UNESCO Heritage Site. We are now here at Wat Prasin Santet. We're here at another temple at may Chedi ulit. Dito rin daw yung reclining Buddha. So here is another reclining Buddha.